Hello guys, today I'm gonna do my first unboxing video for Sony Alpha 7 Mark III. So let's begin. So let's open the box. And down here we have some guides how to use camera. The next one we have adapters for UK and non-UK sockets. And then down here we have strap for your Sony camera. So many departments. So in this bit we have Sony charger, and then we have Sony battery is FZ100. Apparently it says that it has much more juice than any other battery for Sony cameras. Next we have micro USB charging cable for your camera. And that slot is empty. And here we have camera lens and camera hood, camera lens hood, and lens is 28 to 70. And next one have our Sony a7 Mark III full frame mirrorless camera. I bought this for my YouTube channel, so I'll try to make more videos and make more reviews, and we will try this camera how it works. I'll make deeper review later on. So yeah, if you like this video, please put thumbs up, subscribe. If you wanna ask any questions, leave down in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time. See ya.